Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the addition in Vedic maths whenever we are having many numbers. We have already discussed about the basic rules and concept that how to do addition in Vedic maths. Why we should prefer Vedic maths as compared to the traditional maths. We have already discussed about the 2 digits addition, 3 digits addition and lengthy additions as well. Even if there are many single digit numbers, then how to do addition, that we have discussed in our previous sessions. If you want to learn all such things, then you can go through the below links, and even in these videos I have given name as part 1, part 2, part 3 and so on. So you can refer those videos. Now let's start our today's session. We need to add these numbers 23 plus 48 plus 92 plus 59 plus 47. Addition of these numbers. We have already discussed how to do addition of the single digits in previous session. You can go through the link. Here I will explain how to do. First of all, whenever there are 2 digit numbers, separate it out. I have separated. Now we will add these numbers separately and we will add these numbers separately. Then finally we will do some addition and we will write final answer. Whenever we start addition in Vedic maths, we used to start from the bottom side, not from the top one. That is the first thing that you should keep in your mind. Now 7 and 9, that is 6, but it is a carry combination. That's why I have considered this hyphen. Okay. Now 6 and 2, that is 8. It is non-carry combination, so no hyphen. 8 and 6, that is 8 and 8, that is 6, and it is carry combination, that's why keep a hyphen. Next is 6 and 3, that is 9, but it is non-carry combination, so no hyphen. What is the number? Last number is 9, and how many times hyphen? 2 times, so write down 29. Now come to this side. 4 and 5. 4 plus 5, answer is 9. Now it is non-carry combination, so no hyphen. 9 plus 9, that is 9 and 9, it is carry combination. That's why hyphen, and 9 and 9 and number is 8. Now 8 and 4 and number is 2, but it is carry combination, so keep a hyphen. 2 and 2, that is 4, it is non-carry combination, so no hyphen. Now what was the digit? 4, and how many times this hyphens? 2 times. Okay, answer is 24 and 29. This digit will be as it is, this digit will be as it is. Now this 2 is added in this 2 and 4, that is 6, so answer is 2, 6, 9. Hope you have got this. Suppose answer would be like 2, 9 and 3, 9, suppose. Then 9 as it is, 2 as it is, 9 plus 3, that is 12, but it is a carry combination, so write only 2, and here instead of 2 we need to write down 3, that we need to take care about this digit. Hope you have get this method. Now let's have a look at one more example. Let us consider we need to add 58, 79, 68, 43, 25 and 46. What is our first task? Separate it out, right? Now start with the bottom side. 6 and 5, that is a carry combination, so one hyphen, and keep a practice. Keep one this mind. This one is in the mind. 1 and 3 is 4, non-carry combination, so no hyphen, and 4 and 8 carry combination, that's why hyphen. 4 and 8 is 2. Now this 2 and 9 again carry combination, and 2 and 9 is 1. Now 1 and 8, that is 9, and it is non-carry combination, so no hyphen. This is 9, and how many hyphens? 3. See, I have not written answers, I have not written n numbers. If you do more practice, you will also come to know about this. Now let's consider if you have not practiced, and we are going to write down answer now. 6 and 5 carry combination, so hyphen, and n number is 1. 1 and 3, that is 4, non-carry combination, no hyphen. 4 and 8 carry combination, that's why hyphen, and 4 and 8 is 2. Now 2 and 9 carry combination, that's why hyphen, and 2 and 9 and number is 1. Now 1 and 8 non-carry combination, no hyphen, answer is 9. As you do practice, you will come to know about this. Now 4 and 2, I am writing answer 6, non-carry combination, no hyphen. 6 and 4 carry combination, so hyphen, and number is 0, right? 0 and 6 addition is 6, non-carry combination, no hyphen. 6 and 7 carry combination, right? That's why a hyphen, and 6 and 7, that is 3. Now this 3 and 5, that is non-carry combination, no hyphen, and 3 and 5 is 8. Last digit, that is 8. So 8 is written over here. How many hyphens? 2. So I have written 2 over here. What is the answer? 28 and 39. Now keep 9 as it is. Then 8 and 3, that is 11. It means it is a carry combination. So 1, and as it is carry combination, add 1 in this number. So instead of 2, we will write 3. So our final answer is 3, 1, 9. This concept I have already explained you in the previous example, that how we should do it. Now let's have a look if we are having 3-digit numbers. See, I have written some 3-digit numbers, and we need to do its addition. What is our first practice? Separating. Now let's discuss first thing. Now we need to keep numbers in our mind. This you can do whenever you are having practice of the n numbers, and you can keep these n numbers in the mind, right? I won't write answers, I will write only final answer, okay? We will just discuss it. 9 and 3 carry combination, so hyphen, and 9 and 3, that is 2. Keep this 2 in mind. Now 2 and 1, 3, non-carry combination, no hyphen. Now 3 and 9 carry combination. 3 and 9 is 2. Keep 2 in mind. Now 2 and 8 carry combination, and 2 and 8 is and number 0, and 0 and 5, that is 5, and it is non-carry combination, right? So what is the final digit? 5. And hyphens how many times? 1, 2, and 3 times, so 35. Now 6 and 4, it is carry combination. See, we can't keep hyphen, so I am just keeping one round. 6 and 4 is 0 and carry combination. 0 and 9 is 9, that is non-carry combination, so no round. 9 and 2, that is carry combination. 9 and 2 is 1. 1 and 4, 5, non-carry combination, so no round. 5 and 6, that is 1, but it is carry combination, so 1. And how many circles? 3, so write 3 over here. Next is 8 and 1, non-carry combination, answer is 9. There is 9. Imagine it is in your mind, it is written over here. Imagine like this, then only you can be able to solve it, okay? 9 and 7, that is carry combination. 9 and 7, and number is 6. 6 and 6 is carry combination, and 6 and 6 is 2. Now 2 and 7, that is non-carry combination, and 2 and 7 is 9. 9 and 3, those are carry combination. 9 and 3 is 2. So what is the final digit? 2. Write it over here. How many hyphens? 1, 2 and 3. So 32. Answer is 32, 31 and 35. Write this digit as it is. This goes with this. 3 and 1, that is 4. Right? That is non-carry combination. So 3 plus 2, that is 5, and it is also non-carry combination. Write down 3 as it is. Your final answer is 3545. As you do practice, you will enjoy it and you will be able to do calculation faster. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now by pressing the bell icon on the right hand side. Thank you.